What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I am at Valley Auto World out here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and today we're going to look at some new cars out here at BMW, see what the inventory is looking like, see if there's anything that catches my interest. Temp location out here. Temporary sales department. Oh man.
Yo, about to put it on the internet, and usually that's when
the second this thing goes online, it's gone.
It's gone. That's usually how it is.
The second this thing goes online, it's gone.
The interior is ridiculous.
Yeah, I like the white seat. The white seats are nice, man. I worry. That's the thing, though. I think like the white seats for me. It's the M8 Competition here.
Get that one right there, they're gonna know you're not walking around.
Nope. Yeah.
Bye-bye, gone there.
Yep.
It's open, TJ.
All right. Yeah, that was one of the. Oh yeah, I like this. The perforated, so they got the heated and the cooled.
Yes, sir.
Ooh. I like the way they did the paddles now too.
Yep.
So you can downshift. That's clean.
Suits on interior.
That is clean.
Yes, sir.
I like that they didn't do like the crazy stuff either, like Alcantara. They just kept it. What is it? Dakota leather.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, man.
The headliner and everything. It's.
Oh, did they put the? Yeah, they put the Alcantara up top.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, that thing right there is beautiful, man. See, the only thing for like I like the 8 Series, man, but I gotta have a 2-door. I can't do.
Can't do the 4.
Nah, it just it reminds me too much of the 6.
6.
It reminds me too much
That's
of the
what it
6.
replaced, yep.
Oh, so they stopped making the 6.
Yeah, they don't make a 6 no more. That's what this.
Oh. Yeah. When did they start? That new?
19.
So they don't make no more 6s. That's it. Oh wow.
This is it. So if you have a 6, hold on to it because they don't make it no more.
Oh man, that M8 Competition is nice, and I know that they replaced the 6 Series and whatnot. But if I get an M8, it got to be a 2-door. He's gonna look and see if he can get an allocation for a different car. He's gonna see if he can get an allocation for a different car for me that I'm looking for. I'm not telling y'all what it is, but y'all might see it now. But they did tell me about this X5M. Now you guys know I've had several of those here on the channel. They got one for sale for fairly cheap over at my dude Junie over at Mercedes. So we're gonna go over there and check that out and see what the deal is with that. So let's go tap in over there and yeah. Well, I went by Mercedes, but it doesn't look like Junie is working today. I'm still gonna try to link his YouTube channel in the description down below. But I wanted to go by to see this X5M, but I don't see that they have one in there. They had the competition, so I wanted to really check that out. And but yeah, man, we'll see what happens, man. I just wanted to do a quick little bonus video for y'all today. You know, I had left BMW for service and fired up another video to go check out the inventory over at Valley BMW here in Fayetteville. Yeah, I like to support, you know, the smaller dealerships, man, and they're not really big out here. It's a small BMW dealership. You know, I'm sure everybody probably goes to Raleigh or wherever, you know, so or Charlotte. So I had to, you know, if I come through a place like that, I got to try to, you know, support them, you know, support the people that work on my car, do my stuff, and, you know, and they look out for me, so I got to look out for them. But what do you guys think about that M8? I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about the 4-door A-Series, man. I'm just going to be honest with you, man. I really don't know. But if I got one, it would have to be a 2-door. I know me and my dude Carlos were both looking at them at the same time. They were like 30, 40 grand over sticker. I can't do it. Though they say they could get me another a CS, not just the competition. They can get me the M5 CS. They can get an allocation for me for that instead of having a lease and owning it. I think I might do that. I might get out of the M5 lease now and then get that M5 CS. And you know, it's only like 5 grand over sticker. So I don't know. We'll see, man. Stay tuned, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Bonus video for you guys today. That M8 was beautiful, man. We'll have to roll that again here at the end. That thing was absolutely pretty, man. I ain't gonna lie. Look, it's clean. It's clean. It's just not my style, man. I'm getting a 4-door, man. I gotta get the 5, man. If I get a 4-door, I gotta have the 5 Series. That's just me, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, major shout out to Valley BMW for the hospitality. And I will catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace.